Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome back to today's online session of grade 1st. Okay children, in today's class we are going to learn NG diagrams. Okay children, in today's class we are going to learn NG diagrams. NG diagrams. Okay children, in the previous class we have learned that what is diagram. Okay children, so what do you mean by diagram? When two letters combine gives the one single sound is known as diagram. Okay children, when two letters combine and gives the one single sound are known as digraphs. Okay children, when two letters combines and gives one single sound are known as digraphs. When two letters combines gives one single sound are known as digraph. Okay children, when N and G, okay children, when N and G combine they gives the ing sound. Okay children, N, G together gives the ing sound. Okay children, N, G together gives the ing sound. When N and G combine together gives the ing sound. What is the pronunciation of N and G together? It gives the ing sound. Okay children, when N and G together combined in one word it gives the ing sound. Okay, N and G together gives the ing sound. Now let us learn NG digraph first. Okay children, so here we have R, I-N-G, ring, S-I-N-G, swing, W-I-N-G, wing. Okay children, R-I-N-G, ring, S-I-N-G, sing, W-I-N-G, wing, L-O-N-G, long, S-O-N-G, song, T-A-N-G, tan, B-R-I-N-G, bring, T-H-I-N-G, think, S-T-R-O G O I N G. Going. C L I N G. Cling. T A N G. Tan. T O U N G. Tongue. H U N G. Hung. L U N G. Lung. G A N G. Gang. A M O N G. Among. A L O N G. Alone. K I N G. King. So here we have ing sound words. Here we have ing sound words, children. Okay. So let us learn ing words. So here we have R, I, N, G. So what is the sound of R, children? R. What is the phonic sound of R? R. And what is the short vowel I sound? The short vowel I sound is E. And N and G together gives the ing sound. Okay? R, ing, ring. So how do we read this word, children? R, ing, ring. So how do we read, children? R, ing, ring. N and G together gives the ing sound. When N and G combine each other, they gives the ing sound. So here R is giving R sound, short vowel I is giving E sound, and N and G together giving ing sound. So how do we read it? R, ing, ring. Look at the next word. What is the sound of S? E, sing. Ing, sing. Okay, here I gives the short vowel E sound. Okay, children, now look at the next word. What is the sound of W? And here I gives the short vowel E sound. Short vowel I sound E. And E and G together gives the ing sound. Ing, wing. So how do we read it? Ing, wing. Now look at the next word, children. L. What is the L sound? L. Here O gives the long vowel O sound. And N and G together gives the ing sound. Long, long. Okay, here O gives the long vowel O sound. So how do we read it? Long, long. Okay, children. Now look at the next word. S gives the S sound. Here O gives the long vowel O sound, and N and G together gives the ing sound. Ong, song. Okay, now look at the next one. T gives the T sound, and here A gives the short vowel A sound. And N and G together gives the ing sound. Okay, T and tan. T and tan. Okay, T and tan. Now look at the next word. When B and R blended together, B, R blended together, it gives the br sound. Br, ing, bring. Here I gives the short vowel E sound. Okay, children, here I gives the short vowel I sound, that is E. So here br, E, ng, bring. Okay. Now look at the next word. When T and H blended together, it gives the th sound. And I gives here short vowel. I gives here E sound. And L and G together gives ing sound. So how do we read it? Th, ing, thing. So how do we read, children? Th, ing, thing. Okay, children. Now look at the next word. When S and T together, when S and T blended together, it gives the stir sound. Okay, children. When S and T blended together, it gives the stir sound. When S and T blended together, it gives the stir sound. Stir, r, o, ng. Strong. Stir, ro, ng. Strong. Okay, here O gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children. Stir, r, o, ng. Strong. Okay, now look at the next word. What is this phonic sound of G? G. O, E, ng. Going. G, O. Here I gives the short vowel I sound E. G, O, E, ng. Going. How do we read it? Going. Okay, now look at the next word. When C and L blended together, it gives the cl sound. C and L. K, L, cl. When C and L blended together, it gives the cl sound. Cl, E, ng. Cling. Okay? Cl, E, g. Cling. Now look at the next word, children. T, ng. Tongue. Okay, here O is silent, children. Only we have to read short vowel U sound, that is A. What is the short vowel U sound? It is A. So here T, ng. Tongue. How do we read this word? T, ng. Tongue. Okay, now look at the next word. What is the sound of H? H. And what is the sound of short vowel U? A. What is the sound of short vowel U, children? The short vowel U sound is A. H, ng. N and G together gives the ing sound. So how do we read it? H, ng. Hung. How do we read, children, this word? Hung. Okay, now look at the next word. L gives the L sound, and again U gives here short vowel U sound, that is A. L-ang, lung. Okay, how do we read it? L-ang, lung. Okay. L-ang, lung. H-ang, hung. Now look at the next word. What is the sound of G? G. And here A gives the short vowel A sound A. Gan. And N and G together gives ing sound. G and gan. G and gan. Now look at the next word. What is the sound of A here, children? A. What is the sound of A here? A. Ma, ong. Among. How do we read this word, children? Among. A, ma, ong. Here O gives the short vowel O sound. A. Among. Among. Okay, now look at the next word. A. Here A gives the A sound. A, l, ong. Along. How do we read this? A, l, ong. Along. N and G together gives the sound. Okay. So here we are learning NG digraph words. Okay, children, these all are the NG words, NG digraphs. When N and G combine together, it gives the ing sound. Okay. Now look at the next word. K, I, ing. Here, K gives the K sound and I gives the short vowel I sound, that is E. K, I, ing. King. Okay, how do we read it? K, ing, king. So here, ring, sing. Repeat after me, everyone. Read along with me. Ring, sing, wing, long, song, tang, bring. Yes, very good. Repeat after me, everyone. Think, strong, going, cling, tongue, hung, lung, gang, among, along, and king. Okay, read along with me, children. Ring, sing, wing, long, song, tang, bring, think, strong, going, cling, tongue, hum, lung, gang, among, along, and king. So these are the ing sound word, NG digraphs. When N and G combine together, it gives the ing sound. Okay, children? Take the screenshot of this so that later on you can write it in your notebook. Okay, children, ring, sing, wing, long, song, tang, bring, think, strong, going, cling, tongue, hung, lung, gang, among, along, and king. So these are the NG digraph words. Okay, children. Now let us learn AR words. Okay, children. Now let us learn AR words. When A and R combine together, it gives the R sound. Okay, children. When A and R combine, the combination of A and R letter, the combination of A and R letter together gives gives the R sound. Okay, the combination of A and R letter together gives the R sound. Okay, now let us learn AR words, the words which are ending or starting with AR. Okay, children. So here we have CAR, car, FAR, far, JAR, jar, TAR, tar, ARC, R, ART, R, ARM, arm, FARM, farm, TARK, park, BARK, bar, STAR, star, MARK, mark, SMART, smart, MART, mart, START, start, SHARK, shark, CARD, card, HARD, hard. Okay, children, so these are the few words which are starting or ending with AR sound. Okay, children. When A and R combine together, it gives the R sound. Okay, now let us learn the words which are starting or ending with the AR sound. Okay, now here we have CAR. So what is the sound of C, children? K. And what is the sound of A and R together? R. It gives the R sound. So here, how do we read the word? Car. 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 Okay. Now look at the next word. What is the phonic sound of F, children? The phonic sound of F is fur. And A and R together gives the R sound. Far. Far. What is the sound of A and R together, children? R. So how do we read this word? Far. Far. What is the phonic sound of J? J. And what is the phonic sound of A and R together? It gives the R sound. So how do we read? Jar. 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 Now what is the sound of T? T. And what is the sound of A and R together? It gives the R sound. T R. Tar. T R. Tar. Okay. Look at the next word. A. It gives the sound of A. Okay. A and R together gives the sound of R. And C gives the sound of K. R. So how do we read the word, children? R. A and R together gives the sound of R. And C gives the sound of K. So how do we read the word? R. R. Okay. Now look at the next word. AR together gives the sound of R. And what is the sound of T? T. R. How do we read the word? R. R. Okay, children, now look at the next word. R. M. AR together gives the sound of R. And M gives the sound of M. So how do we read the word? R. R. Okay, now K sound. So how do we read the word? Park. Park. What is the sound of B? B. A and R together give R. And what is the K sound? K sound? K. B. R. K. Bar. So how do we read the word? B. R. K. Bar. Okay, children. When S and T blended together, it gives the sound of stir. Stir, stir, stir. A and R together gives the R sound. Stir, R, star. Stir, R, star. Okay, children. Now look at the next word. Ma. What is the M phonic sound? Ma. A and R together gives the R sound. And K gives the K sound. Ma-ark, mark. So how do we read the word? Ma-ark, mark. Now look at the next word, children. When S and M blended together, sa-ma, sma. Sa-ma, sma. When S and M blended together, it gives the sound of sma. Sma, art, smart. So how do we read the word? Smart, smart. Ma-art, mart. Ma-art, mart. Now look at the next word, children. When S and T blended together, it gives the sound of stir. Art, stir, art, star. Okay? Mark, star. Now look at the next word, children. Sh. Sh. When S and H blended together, it gives the sound of sh. Okay? Sh, ark, shark. Sh, ark, shark. Okay? Shark. Now look at the next word. Card. Card. C gives the K sound. AR together gives the R sound and D gives the D sound. So how do we read the word? Card. Card. How do we read the word, children? Card. Card. Now look at the next word. Hard. 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 So these are the AR words. When A and R blended together, it gives the R sound. Okay, let us read these words once again, children. C-A-R. Car, car, far. Repeat after me, everyone. Chat, tart, art, art, arm, farm, park, bark, star, mark, smart, mark, star, shark, card, heart. So these are the AR words. Okay, children. Repeat after me once again. Car, far. Read along with me. Jar. Yes, very good, children. Tar. Yes, read along with me. Ark, farm, park, bar, star, mark, smart, mark, star, sharp, card, and heart. So these are the AR words. Okay, children. Take the screenshot. If you want, you can write it later on. Take the screenshot of this, children, if you want. Now it is time to give you the homework. So your today's homework is write NG and AR words 5 times. Okay children, you have to write NG and AR words 5 times. Okay children, so this is your today's homework. Okay. Write down the homework in your notebook children. You have to write NG and AR words 5 times. This is your today's homework. Hope you all have understood today's class. Now it is time to end our class. Let us meet in the next class with the new topic. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye children.